Now let's apply the same procedure to convert 0.712 to percentage. Solution. What you first do is write 0.712 over 1, and then you multiply by powers of 10 depending on the number of decimal places. And since we have 3 decimal places, that's 10 raised to power 3. So we have 1000 over 1000. Now 0.712 multiplied by 1000 will give us 712. And then 1 times 1000 will give us 1000. From here we can easily just multiply by 100%. And 100 here 1, 100 here we are left with 10. That is, we have 712 over 10%. Now whenever you are dividing by powers of 10, the number of zeros just tell the number of decimal places you have to go. That is, when our decimal point is at this point, and we have just 1 0 here, we just move to the left by 1 point. That is, what we have here is 71.2. And then we put the percentage sign. It's quite easy to divide by powers of 10 by following this simple principle. Now try this with other decimal numbers and convert them to percentages. Thank you.